This digital alarm clock has a mirror finish, both 12-hour and 24-hour time, 11 different color modes, a 5-level brightness display, and 2 USB chargers. To set the time, you simply hold the top button that has an M on it, and then you use the plus and minus to set the hour and the minutes. To change the color, you simply press the top button. To change the brightness level, you press the plus or the minus button on the side, and that is how you manually set it. There is an automatic setting that uses the sensor on the side to automatically adjust it based on the level of light in the room. Lastly, it has 2 USB plugins on the side so you can charge your devices easily. You simply plug it in and plug your device in.